According to a new hands-on leak of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, we may soon see a selection of RAM options for the iPhone 15 Pro models based on storage for the first time ever. According to the source, there will be a choice of 6 or 8 GB of RAM depending on the storage option, but I personally believe this must be false. I just can't see Apple giving a choice of memory in the phones if this has never happened before, and Apple tend to focus on optimization, so giving it different RAM options for different models just makes things a lot more difficult. Reliable leaker Unknowns21 tweeted to say that Apple were testing 6 and 8 GB RAM variants, and this is probably where the confusion has come from. For those who are eagerly anticipating the iPhone 15 series, we will now go through the whole specifications, design, and price of each model to aid in your decision. We also have the normal iPhone 15, which has a 6.1-inch, 60Hz OLED screen with a 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution with ceramic shield protection. The A16 Bionic chipset-powered device has a 12-megapixel primary camera with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 6 GB of RAM, up to 512 GB of storage, a 3,300 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 6E support, and it has the new dynamic island that covers the Face ID and 12-megapixel selfie cameras. Naturally, it will support iOS 17, and on September 12th, it is anticipated to launch for around $850. The iPhone 15 Plus is the next device in the list. It has a 6.7-inch, 60Hz OLED display with a resolution of 2778 by 1284 and ceramic shield protection. The redesigned dynamic island covers the rear-mounted Face ID sensors and the 12-megapixel selfie camera. We have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera in addition to a 12-megapixel main camera. It has 6 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage and is powered by the A16 Bionic chipset. It will have 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 6E and be powered by a 4,300 mAh battery with 30-watt rapid charging. It is anticipated to launch on September 12th for around $950 and will of course come with iOS 17. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.